Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Caesars Casino game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Caesars Casino game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, you will be taken into the main menu. From the main menu page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on Settings at the bottom left. You will now be taken into the settings page, from which, in order to sign up and create a new account, you can simply tap on the Connect with Facebook or your Playtka ID. Just tap on the Connect button in order to sign up and create a new account. Then choose either your email or your phone based on which method you want to use. You will then be allowed to enter your phone number and your desired password. If you chose your email address, just type in your email address or your phone number and then enter your desired password and then click on the login button. You will then be taken through the registration process, from which you can sign up and create your new account. From the settings page, you can also tap on Connect with Facebook, and this will ask you to log into your Facebook app if you haven't done so already. Just use your Facebook credentials and you will be logged into your Facebook account, and after logging in, you will be asked to allow access. Click on the Continue As button and proceed with allowing access to the application. And now the application will restart and your username will directly be linked with your account. And now all of your progress will be saved within this account that you just signed up and created. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Caesars Casino game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.